See our new product called B01S. Now let me open it. Okay, when we open the box, we can see there is a Symynelec sticker, positioning sticker, a user menu, and then we can see the camera. Let me take out. Okay. There's the camera. Let me introduce other items first. Okay, we attach the screw tools, a charging cable, and then take out this. We can see the solar panel. Okay, let me introduce the camera. Okay, here is the light sensor. Here is the lens, the PIR sensor. Here is the indicator light. So let me go to this. Here is the microphone, and here is the speaker. And we can see there is a TF reset. Open this waterproof cover. This is the TF car slot. And we can see there is a reset button. You need to use the tool we attach with to do reset. Okay, and we can see the downside. There is another waterproof cover, and there is a flash symbol. Open it. Power on and power off. Here is the charging spot. Okay, so this is all of our new product.